Automate your business in 5 easy steps. Add a coach, add a service, class, or event, set availability, add customers either manually or automatically, schedule and bill customers from your computer or your mobile devices. Your new automated system does it all for you. Automates your billing, automates your recurring billing, automated scheduling of one-time events, recurring classes, private and semi-private sessions, sends automated appointment reminders to make sure your customers show up for the appointments they've scheduled, automated customer communication that adapts based upon the actions of your customers. Now your business is running on autopilot because chasing customers and pushing papers just isn't the workout that most people have in mind. The first thing we'll do is add a coach to the account. All I have to do is come down to My Account, to Staff Login, and then add a new profile. I'll designate whether I want this person to be an admin, a user, or just a coach. Keep in mind that an admin and a user and a super admin are by default coaches within the system. A coach in this designation will mean that the person only has access to the coaching portal and has no access to any of the more advanced functionality such as the order system. And now I want to add them into the CRM, the project manager, the ticket system, and the live chat system. I'll set my time zone, and that's all there is to it. Adding a service, class, or event is extremely easy. All we'll do is go to our scheduling system, we'll log into our coaches portal, and we'll come to services. And you'll see that there is a default service in every account. So the first thing I'll do is use this default service and simply edit this service. I'm going to set my required units, and in this case I'm going to set it to 4 because I'm going to charge $40 for this class. I'm going to set my maximum size to 1 because I want to make this a private session. The minimum duration is going to be 1 hour. And I'm going to keep this set at a variable type service. That means that people will be able to schedule this service with me anytime I show that I'm available. I'll put my description in here. And now I want to set my reschedule and cancellation parameters. In other words, what will be the minimum duration that I allow someone to reschedule or cancel this service with me. And for the reschedule, I'll set it to 1 day and cancellation to 3 days. And I can put my terms and conditions right here into this service. Now the final thing I'll do is I will attach this to a sales funnel, and if I choose to tag someone. In other words, when somebody elects to choose this service, what actions do I want to have happen? And now I have 2 options for my funnels. I can choose to complete a funnel if someone buys this service. This is commonly used if you're marketing to someone and then they actually take the service. You'll want to remove them off of your marketing list and put them into your customer list. And then when a person signs up, I'm going to add them to my private training sales funnel. And for this service, I'm going to put them into my CrossFit because that's the sales path that I want to trigger after this person buys this particular product. Now, if I wanted to, I could also assign tags to this person, but I'm not going to at this point in time. And now I'm going to set my availability. In other words, what hours am I going to choose to work each day? Now I can set it at a daily level, but even within these settings I can micromanage my schedule within each day and override the master settings. But for now, I want to set the master settings and put down the general hours that I'm going to be available. So just come into Set Daily Availability Range, and I'm going to mark this time as available. And each day at noon I'm going to take a lunch hour, so I'm going to mark that as unavailable. And then back to available. And I'm going to mark this as unavailable. And again, I'm going to go back to work and make myself available for these hours. Now you'll be able to do that for each day. And again, when you go back to your schedule and you click on a Sunday, you'll see which hours are available, but you can always come back in for this particular Sunday and change it. It's just that easy. Adding customers can be done in a multitude of ways. They can be added through your mobile device, they can be added through a product purchase, they can be added by simply opting into your system through one of your opt-in forms, or you can come into your system and add them directly into the CRM just by coming into Add Customer, and you can fill in all their information. You can assign them to a specific coach, and you can also give them a balance. So if you'd like to give someone a free trial with your service, all you would have to do is come in and give them a specific unit credit as you desire, and allow them to use those unit credits and book time with you for your service. This is a great way to get someone in, and then you can book them as a paying customer right from the palm of your hand using your smartphone. As a coach, there are several ways that you can schedule your bookings with your students. You can do it from your mobile device, from a computer, or your students can go to the website and choose the service and the time and book themselves as they choose. For this example, I'm going to do a booking as though I were working from inside the customer management section. So I'll select the student, I'll click Add Booking, and now I'll choose my date, and I'll choose my time. So we'll select the class that we want to book, who we're going to book it with. The start time is already set, and the end time is based on the minimum duration. If I wanted to, I could extend this into a double booking, but for now I'll just save this. And you can see now that this class is fully booked because it's a personal training session. It has one person booked in it with a maximum of one person allowed. If I want to, I can change the booking and modify the time, or I can delete the booking. Now your customers have prepaid for this service, the scheduling is set, your calendar of availability has been updated, and all of this was done automatically. Now in this example, I'm going to show you how the system will automatically bill your customers so that all your appointments are prepaid before you ever hold them. So again, we're going to come in and add a booking. We'll select the date. We'll schedule the booking. And now the system will automatically notify you that this customer does not have enough credit in order to complete this booking. But all you have to do is click the OK button, and it will automatically charge the customer and schedule the booking. This works the same way whether the customer is doing it or whether you're doing it. This is a fantastic way to increase your billings for your business.